Welcome back to Genius Quiz. Please subscribe to my channel for more quiz videos. In today's quiz, you have to guess the body organs. So are you ready? Let's get started. Here's the first body part. Which body part is this? Stomach. Guess the body part. Hair follicle. Take your time, think carefully. Liver. Which body organ is this? It's kidney. Let's see how many body parts you guess. Sinuses. Everyone can guess this body part. It's heart. Which body part is this? It's small intestine. This one is difficult. It's liver. Cupid's bow. If you like the video, give thumbs up. Lungs. The region around the nostrils is called septum. Thyroid glands. This one is so easy. It's brain. Let's see how many points you get. Jugular vein. Guess the body part. Intestine. The green area is occipital bone. Which joint is this? It's ball and socket joint. What is this? Pancreas. The small particles in the bone is bone marrow. The white part of eye is sclera. What is this? It's the spleen. Urinary bladder. Comment down how many points you get. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more quiz videos.